Hello my friends! Today let's make cherry blossom wine, sakura wine together. This is Japanese yaezakura, the multi-layered cherry blossom. Its name is kanzan. First, rinse them 2 times to get rid of dust. Place them on a kitchen paper. Put another paper on top of the flowers to absorb the water. Once no more moisture on the surface of sakura, we can get started. These are yeast used to make fermented rice wine. Let's crush it into powder. Mix it well with cold boiled water. Make sure water is below 35 degrees to prevent the yeast from being scalded to death. Glutinous rice. My mom always tells me that when make wine, try to use round type of glutinous rice. Soak rice overnight. Now let's steam it or use electric rice cooker. Spread out the rice. Cool it down until it is less than 35 degrees. Let's remove the petals. It takes time, but I enjoy this moment. Mix all the petals with rice. Now let's move them to jar. Make sure the jar and all other tools you use must be sterilized. 1 layer of flour rice, 3 to 4 spoons of yeast water. At the last moment, pour the rest of yeast water into the jar. Then press it evenly and smoothly to squeeze out the air. Now let's seal it. Place it in a dark place to avoid any sunlight. I put it in a wooden cabinet. 1 week later, even blocked by the thick wooden cabinet, I could smell the aroma of fermented wine. This reminds me of my childhood. Every time when my mom made rice wine, she couldn't wait to put her head into the wooden cabinet. At that time, we didn't have air conditioner. In order to ensure the fermentation temperature, my mom used dried straw to make nest from a big jar in the wooden cabinet. When she turned her head out of cabinet, there was a straw hanging on her hair. Together with her expression of being drunk by the fragrance of wine, she looked so lovely. I only mixed once at the end of the second week. The rice wine has been fermented for a month. Through fermentation, the shape of cherry blossom disappeared. They merged with rice wine. Now, color of the wine becomes to light pink. To stop fermentation, we now boil the wine with same amount of water. Put some rock sugar to add flavor to wine. How sweet aroma it is. Now the temperature of wine has cooled down. Filter it with gauze. Keep the bottle in the refrigerator. It's time to enjoy. Hope you will like it. Thank you for watching.